Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2012 Chevrolet Corvette Canadian car, 1SB. Absolutely stunning color. That's the crystal red tint coat metallic. It's in gorgeous condition. It's got the beige interior. It has a cover for the roof, so when you take the roof off, it fits in those places right there and there. And you also have a cover if you want to leave it at home in the garage. There's a full car cover here as well. And then this mat is an add-on, but it's added. If you prefer the gray underneath, then you can still have that. It has the onboard storage compartments in there and another one over in here for storing things away that you don't want people to know are there. It's got the cargo area cover right there, which also has the Corvette logo in it. So we just close that trunk. This one's got Corsa exhaust, which is a huge expense. You probably already know if you've checked it out. That's a couple of grand right there to put that on. It's got the larger size port of exhaust, which gives it a great tuned sound. You'll know that Corsa is a great exhaust on this Corvette. The crystal red tint coat metallic really pops with these chrome wheels. It has brand new Michelin tires all the way around. And it looks absolutely stunning, doesn't it? Just gorgeous. Painted rotors, painted calipers, looks fabulous. On the inside, again, that nice beige interior. You've got a factory power seat there with multi-function for the passenger side as well as the driver's side. The nice luxury leather with the high bolsters in the back seats. And the Corvette cross flag logo floor mats have been added as well. So if you want to read the codes, they are right there. Let's just give that a chance to focus. Should be able to see that 1SB over there. It has the books with it, so you'll be able to read all about it. And again, it's a Canadian car. Have a look inside that door frame. Looks stunning, doesn't it? Just beautiful. So this one has the gill covers in it. So the nice little chrome mesh or stainless steel mesh to go in there. That looks great against these chrome wheels with the brand new Michelin tires again. Just fabulous. Under the hood is the LS3, 436 horsepower. It's got a K&N intake filter as well that's been added. So a little bit of extra horses come out of that, the intake and the exhaust, which allows more air in, more air out, therefore more horsepower. The hood mat looks in fabulous condition, cross flags on it as well. Everything looks just fabulous. We'll close the hood and climb over here to the front, where you'll see the front is in fantastic condition. Stone chips, you know, I'm sure there's one somewhere, but you really can't see anything here. There's nothing of notice to say. The front's in great shape, looks good and clean. This is a well-loved car. Again, when you see a car with a car cover, that usually means they've been, you know, really taking extra good care of it. And there's the nice other front wheel, no curb rash, no issues. Big caliper brakes, just fabulous. There's the gill on that side with the gill covers, that nice stainless mesh cover in there. And then over here, again, that nice 5-spoke aluminum wheel with the chrome finish and the nice brand new Michelin tires. On the inside here on the driver's door, you've got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, and you've got the Bose sound system, nice little map pockets in there. You've got your power trunk and gas door release right there. The driver's seat's in great condition, and it also has the multifunctional power adjustments and the leather inserts with the perforated leather seating for coolness. So that's the luxury leather with the perforated seats right there. Nice sport leather wrapped steering wheel, and this one does have the heads-up display as well. So let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. Get my foot on that clutch properly. So it's just going to fire up. There's your factory navigation. We'll just turn this up to 21, so you've got dual zone air conditioning. You can have each temperature at the same side. You've got 31,808 kilometers only, so super low in the kilometers. There's your heads-up display and the display right up there. So I'll just turn that up in brightness. You can probably see it better now, and then if I move it up and down, you can see it better there. You can change the pages, you can change the mode from race to track, etc. So it's got all of that feature there. You've got the driver information center over here, your factory navigation, which opens up so that you can actually play a DVD on that screen. and it has the map nav disc. You can also put 6 CDs in there also. So great sound system. Here's your 6-speed manual transmission. Cup holder slides open like so. This has got that nice almost carbon fiber look dash to it. Underneath in here you've got a power outlet for plugging in your phone, and back here is a USB and a line in case you want to hook up your phone to the radio. Up here we've got navigation. The rear view mirror is a little cloudy, no big deal, you can certainly still see out of it, but it's just noticeable there when you're having a look. I want to point it out. Traction control off button over there. You've got tilt, no telescopic on this because you've got tilt and no telescopic, okay? So everything else is there. There's the microphone for your phone, just so, and fabulous sound, just fabulous. Really nice. Headlights are nice and clear, all good there. Looks fabulous. Great color combination, great equipment, excellent condition, super low kilometers. Corsa exhaust at the back, listen to that. That's awesome. Just clean and straight down the side, just a thing of beauty. No scratches, no marks, no issues whatsoever on this car. So there you have it, folks. That's a 2012 Chevrolet Corvette 1SB Canadian car, chrome wheels, heads-up display, factory navigation, perforated leather seats. I mean, it is gorgeous, just $30K. It's here and available at munromotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.